What's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market, one more day to go for the week. Get this trade over with. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. All right, man. Let's look at the top movers. Arca Aviation is up 4.61%. Nothing to really talk about. I think yesterday was down 7%, so making some of his gains back, but I got mine on $2 day recurring sell limit order at 709, $7.09 for 176 shares that accumulated at like the $6 range or something. I got an average cost of like $4.70, so I'm pretty much good. I'm up anyway. OXXQ paid 3.5 cents a share, down 3.92% today. Yesterday they ran up about 7%. Nothing to really talk about. Top mover, TCPC. One I have had him in holding. Didn't really push the issue on buying. Just kept it just for the dividend. Ain't no pressure in owning this one. Really gonna get myself up out of it. BlackRock, it's a BDC, 415. I'm at 543. So let that just deal with itself. Get the dividend, reinvest it in the other plays. How I'm moving with that one. Just wanted to show you that one. LFT got earnings. This stock has been getting beat down. I put a buy limit order in at 65 cents for like 50 shares just to add on to it. I got some sell orders in. I'll let you know what happens after earnings, because the bad earnings just going to tank more. They're going to have a reverse stock split coming. All right, starting out, watch my Cash App video. Make sure y'all go check out that. Good plays in there, some buy and hold stocks. Okay, urgent buys, urgent sales. What did I sell? As I told you on yesterday, ticker PMT, PennyMac Mortgage. It did come back and hit the 958 mark, hit 9661 again, came back down. I put my sell limit at 958, so at 956 now. I still got this on $2 a day recurring. Think they lowered the price target to $11. 40 cents a share, pays out every quarter. Average calls now, I got 398 shares with an average calls of $9.92. I sold, they got this 100% buy. I sold, I only had 75 shares. I brought at $9.32, sold them at $9.58, so made 36 cents a share. But you know how I tell you how Robinhood does with its system. So showing I got a realized loss of 118, saying my cost at open was 116, but $11.16, which I didn't buy these shares at that price. It was at like $10 and something. So like I said, I don't understand their system, but I just look at my simple math, keep on trading. It is what it is. Average cost $9.58.70 for that's what I sold them at. So, but I didn't buy these 75 shares at $11.16. I brought these 75 shares at $9.32. So anyway, gonna keep it moving. We're gonna go with PDI. This closing fund pays 22 cents a share every month. Like a 16.7, 17% dividend yield. Brought $50 worth of this at $15.90. You can put your buy limit orders in at $15.85. Definitely nice one to have for monthly cash flow. I will be selling them. I brought a bunch of shares. I brought 150 shares in my Webull portfolio at $15.90, which I'm gonna sell at $16.44. Seems like it touches the $16.35, $16.44 mark. Every month at the ex-dividend date. This was like an $18 stock, but it has been performing not that well, so I'm just trading the market that I'm in. BTCC, I told you I want to make me an extra like $50,000 a year just on trading. To get my trading game, I know how to trade, but getting it right and tight. I brought a bunch of shares of this here today. BTCC, they're gonna pay 23 cents a share. Pay out every other week. Bi-weekly, every other week. It's paying 23 cents a share dividend. I brought 1,300, well, 225 shares today from 12.86 all the way to 12.82. I'm gonna sell them at 13.28. And yesterday I brought 150 shares at 1306, which I'm gonna sell at 1347. Got average calls now at 1369, so definitely came down more. Really want to catch this at the 1240 and lower. One thing about BTCC, it goes down, but it come back up quick. Coney. Coinbase catching hell today. Got down to like 1283, 1280, 1783, 1784. Go buy you a piece of that. Add on to it. I got about 185 shares. I brought from 1806 to 1784 that I'm going to sell at 1855 in my Webull. Lowering my average cost. Ain't going to make like 50 something cents a share, you know, off every share. So Coinbase catching hell right now. Bitcoin, all the crypto catching hell anyway. So man, I will make some money off it right now. I got my Robinhood on $2 or $3 a day recurring. I don't sell my fractional shares. I just to keep for the long haul. Tesla got down to 325.24. Did put a buy limit order in on that. Gonna catch this on the day when it's down, when it's green, when it's red. So Tesla, go get you some Tesla. Okay, that's in my other. Go watch my Cash App video. Nike, I got a sell limit order at $44.57. Looking in the forums, people say next week it's gonna go to $45. We're gonna see. I'm gonna go on at $40.48. Like I said, I'm getting my average cost down, and I'm gonna be selling these shares. You know, Nike is not the best stock, but they're not going anywhere. All I need is one good squeeze. Make 2 more shares at that price. I need one good squeeze. I got a sell limit order right here for 25 shares. And that's going to be a lot of money going back in my account. Ain't going to lower my average cost. I just need one good squeeze. All right, Meta. I got to tell you, being that the market is green, the video's not going to be as long. Y'all go watch that Cash App short, though. Make sure you watch them Cash App shorts every day. They quick shorts. A lot of game in them. And some stocks that I don't have in this portfolio. All right, Meta. Yesterday I brought a couple shares to add on. I wanted at least 5. So I got an average cost, probably 580 something, 571 I'm at now. This got down to 579.43. So yeah, I added some Meta. I'm catching on the day when it's down, though, to go add on to it. FBY, options on Facebook, options on Meta. Brought 25 shares at 86.65 at a buy limit order I had. You can set another one at 8.49. I'm at 86.67 with 1,162 shares, we're gonna call it. Another one y'all gonna regret not buying, WMT, Walmart, at these prices. Got this on a $1 day recurring, but red days, especially in the buy range, the range it's been trading in the last probably 2 months, been like under 120. Anyway, got a lot of little plays or traps, I call them, my little plays. So got going on buying and selling. So, and they're gonna be in large quantities, like thousands of dollars worth. So gonna be paying my cash balance back. Like I said, I get the dividends with it. But anyway, I need to go do a video, see how much money I made in July. I got to go and get my stuff together. I'm gonna do that tonight. But let's just go look at ACHR real quick. Should be trading with 656. I needed to hit that 709. Like I say, 176 at 709. Give me almost probably a grand, a little under $1,000, I'm guessing. Probably a little over that. Anyway, this my position. I'm up 1700. So, all right, let's roll. Like I say, I'm doing more trading from here on out. I don't give a damn. Excuse me. I don't care about no capital gains. Got a sell limit order on some stuff on PSEC at 235. I sold some at 225. I got a Charles Schwab portfolio. I'm selling some at that price. Some stuff I brought in like 226. So I'm actually up now. Average cost $2.30. And everything else on $2 recurring. This here won't touch this 296 to save his life, save my life. Hold on. Oh, I think it did hit it. Yes, it did. What he got at today? It should have hit today. 294, at least in the pre-market, you would think. Let's go see. I don't think it did. 304. It's a cancel. It's the 296 one right here. There you go. It didn't hit. Anyway. I didn't get the notifications for it. Sometimes stuff sell and they don't notify you. That's why I had to go check. Still got 1,000 shares. Got something real quick. It should be 296 right here. Yep. Anyway, late waiting on that one. That's one play there. Already got dividends for years from CHMI. Comcast gonna be another one I'm gonna dump around about $29. Matter of fact, looking like it don't really want to do anything. I'm gonna put this at 1341 and sell everything. I ain't got time for this. This should have been done went up. I should have sold everything then when I took profits. I'm gonna go look at anyway 1341 where I'm looking at might go in to sell that whole position. And be done with it. Let me go put it in now when I'm thinking about it. Up 1%. Alright, sell. Sell limit order. Continue. 13.41. 218 shares. Go ahead and get that money back. I put that in other places. Alright, got that set. I might adjust the price to 1360, so I'm gonna see what it hit at the earnings. See, like this only squeeze when the earnings come out, then it sell off and that be it with it. So I'm gonna go in and get out of it. ORC had a buy limit order at 644. This trading sideways pattern. Dividend coming $273.41. Pay 10 cents a share every month. I'm at 669. Another one I be swinging. Definitely brought down my average cost. MSFO got sell limit orders at like 1323. Like 104 shares. It's gonna be like $1,300 something in profit. I'm just taking the profit at that price. I got 1,061 shares. Net NFL wise, another one. FB wise, definitely one I'm trading. Nvidia, I was gonna sell this at $13.39, but Nvidia I think gonna run, man. So I'm gonna just hold on to it. I'm gonna move it up to 14 bucks. I don't think Nvidia coming back down, man. To be honest with y'all. Matter of fact, I am going to cancel this order and just keep it for the dividend for now. I think I'm gonna regret selling this at $13.39. Once it go up, we're gonna start paying more dividends. How yield max work, the higher the stock price or the ETF price, the higher it pays in dividends. Got YMAX holding on to still. Got dividends coming today, 6 cents a share. Got 1,300 shares for $3,189.30 this week. Got sell limit orders at $7.91 for some things. Earn did end up having good earnings. We'll see what's gonna happen here. I think I got one sell limit order at $4.43 for 112 shares. I might cancel that. I think this gonna start going up from here on out. 2,182 shares, $174. It's 21. I should have 2,800 shares right now. Let me look at my other sell limit order. I got two. 412 at 448. I got 412 at 443. I think this what it's about to run. I sold that SVOL too early. I'm gonna replace that with this one. Cancel that. What that mean? We attempted to cancel your order. 448 cancel. Hopefully both of those orders got canceled. 28. Let me go check. It's part of trading, man. Part of trading. Show all. So you go check. Go to your history. Do have this on recurring also. Okay, all those are buy limit orders. Okay, cancel. Two of these did get canceled. 412 for 443 got canceled. Yep, that's the one I wanted canceled. It should be 412 for 448. All right, both canceled. We're gonna see how long this earn gonna run. I'm replacing that. Reason I canceled it because I sold SVOL at 16.33. Now I got like a 22% dividend yield. Same dividend yield that earn has. So I sort of like I replaced it with that. How should I put it? I sold this at 16.25. Didn't know this was gonna run like that. I kind of knew, but this not the ex-dividend date yet. The ex-dividend date is the 31st of July, so it's August 31st. See how far it's going to go until then. I also sold it because I built a position here. I got 361 shares. I didn't have a position here before. I only had it in my Webull portfolio. Anyway, I had an average cost of like $15.88, so I made some money. Still get the dividends. I ain't got 361 shares. Should have 300 or 500 something shares in my Webull portfolio too. So, and like I said, I've been going hard in earn. So that was the reason. Earn got down to 433 today. Still a good price to buy at. 435. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with it. I got it on a dollar day recurring anyway, just to go pick up something anyway. Got hood everything up. Bull got up to $8. Bull got up to $8.15. The resistance is 8.15. Is having trouble pushing past it. So I'm just holding on to see what's going to happen, up 44%. That's a long-term play. We did BTCC. Everything else is on $2 to $3 recurring. Yeah, YY, not even buying that no more. Just holding on to this for the dividend. Pays out every week. 746. What's the 52-week low? 740. This one you can swing trade though. You make you about 36 cents, 30 cents a share. 740, 776. 740, 776. See how the pattern looked for the last month. Sideways pattern. I need to hit this one good time. Let's try this. We're going to do 740. 776. Y. 'm I really don't want to mess with this. I'm gonna cancel. I'm just keep it just for the dividend because it's too volatile. Like it ain't even no big deal. I'm down $356.10. I've gotten year to date $290.46 in dividends. This pays out every week. These been all my dividend payouts every week, so I'm in the clear. As long as I get my money back, I'm good, which I will. OXLC performing well. I sold some the other day at $9.35, and they keep pushing forward. I got some shares I'm gonna get rid of at $10. Think people buying back in can beat this dividend yield. Pay 20 cents a share every month. I need to see what's going on with CLM and stuff. I'm up, so not gonna bother that. Just keep it for the dividend. ACHR looking good. HOOW definitely gonna take some money at $35 when it does run back up. Pays out every week, so I keep it for the dividend. Rather own this than Robinhood. I can make money without selling it, and it moves. They got the same pattern. There you go with Lime. Got this on the $1 a day recurring. That's it, man. Sorry this video wouldn't have been long, but just want to show y'all the strategy and the way I think, because it's live, not edited. Signing off. Go get your money.